Hey guys, this is Mika, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make beard like this. Or I don't know how you want to call. So click to new on pony down, like you can see. Name your character. He will call like this. Remove his hair and click to this hair. Body. Pick your body to the black color and pick this type of legs, horn like this, and make him yellow. Also the wings and the ears will be like this. Again, tail. Oh, don't forget to put black color into the tail and the hair. The tail can be like this, but I have to choose this. The face. Make his eyes black, or you can close them. Now click the items and there you have head. So click this and make it yellow too. Try not to have the same color like horn. Click earphones and click here. Make this to the black and white. Chest, back, waist, other. So here you go. That's all, but you also can put more colors or something what you want. So I hope you enjoy my video.